Alright. Today she'll be doing...
You sound just like what
You do that.
Do my commentary, boo.
Call you dreads and
Instant locks.
instant locks.
Instant locks.
You really sound like one.
Alright, so you kind of just want to start it.
This is the African American species.
And you really just put it in and just like
She crochet, like a crochet.
and you kind of just really just twist it and then just keep moving the needle and like bringing the hair into it.
Okay, I know what we have to do. When we get to the bottom of the hallway, we have to jump at the same time. What? We will never make it. No one's an illusion, okay? Trust me. It's okay, click on.
What I'm doing, bro?
Honestly, I don't know.
Instant locks. Say it.
Instant locks.
We adopted him from an exchange.
Did you press record?
I think so. It's going down.
Oh yeah, it is. I was about to say, if this little Australian ain't recording my tape, I will break his neck. I'm trying to do it, you know, so y'all can see. But it's basically kind of just like you hook it in and like just pull the hair into the middle part.
I don't remember you doing that for me.
Because you did yours naturally.
Oh, okay.
You did yours naturally, Australian.
Oh, the ticket steps do go up too. I looks like I was in back videos.
Whoa.
What the?
Right. Well,
You kind of want to just take it all the way down. But
and they sold out. Oh, that sucks.
You listen to stories.
Even the cheap ones?
Who's that?
Yeah, the cheap ones is going.
The cheap ones go first.
It started. The starting price is like
From
300.
Canada.
What?
I think he up there with Drake and
Who?
the boy Stormzy.
who the heck is that?
He was on somebody. I think it was Drake. You know Drake think he Jamaican.
You think he every
You think he every man,
nationality.
right?
Did you start your brain yet? Yeah, we've been started.
Leave it alone, man.
I want to do that one. I can't do this one because it don't go much.
It's looking very good.
Yep.
Now, when you do this, Krista, do you still like hand roll them jumps?
Yeah, but you really just kind of
This is so much easier.
just, you know.
Cause I heard like the more you keep doing it, get tighter and tighter and something like that.
Yeah, but I was trying to take yours all the way down to the bottom first, and then I'm gonna just really go in and kind of like tighten up the cylinder here. But I think this is, plus I wanted you to feel the thickness of it.
Cause it's gonna swell up anyway though. You just have to.
I mean, it ain't gonna swell up too much though.
By now, I do know you. I knew that you would follow us in here, and I knew that you would let us take all the risk for you. I knew the final Inca test would carry dire consequences for those who should fail it, which is why we are over here.
She got to go. She sucks.
It was
They
like
making
4
movies
hours.
for everything, man. Sonic and making another Ghostbusters. I actually want to see that.
Oh, snacks. Be here, my bad.
Oh, but Mumu, all you do is
Got here 5 o'clock on the dot.
all all you really do is when you get to the bottom, is you really just fold it up and then just stick it in.
Into there. That's why I cut off my hair
And continue
off. I'm
to
waiting for it to
twist
go
it.
back. Because it was like so much straight hair from going to the Dominicans. Now I wanted it going, so I cut it off.
So this is basically it.
Now, do you go back in there? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, I am going to do it, but I ain't want to go too rough with his because I don't think he's sure about the size. I wouldn't make mine this thin.
They're super real. Wait, is that what's cool?
That's fine.
Thank y'all for coming.
thank you for having us. I enjoyed myself.
Oh, I'm glad.
Bro, like y'all two not here to get the memo? Alright, well y'all go ahead and stay here. We're going to head out.
Trying to be like Chris McDread. I see you. You be hitting it.
The first hour of you doing it, I didn't say nothing to you. And you still didn't get nothing.
Move my coat, Eva.
Crystal, you really are the man still. I
Yeah, because I kept taking it out.
don't care what nobody said. You the best.
She's an instant lock whiz.
Y'all kept asking me for it.
Look at her go.
Look at it go. You see the kangaroo. So you
kept taking it out.
Sorry, do you British accent?
The first hour, why you kept
Hey, no brawling. No brawling.
Huh? Get him because I need to get my other charger.
Children in the natural habitat.
This is my phone.
Where they at?
In the natural habitat.
Okay. He's trying. Out of face.
I asked her why she took out her braid. She told me she had about her.
You was bothering her.
Stage
No,
one.
that's not why she took it out.
This your first time doing all my real hair? These knees. You better be better than my man, Dr.
Dear Mr. Tanner, enclosed, please find confirmation numbers for stocks purchased this week. Willie, I thought we were going to consult each other before doing anything stupid.
It's got to be a mistake.
Probably a 3-foot furry mistake.
Sometimes I think we should just sign everything over to him and slip away in the middle of the night.
Congratulations. Your account shows you are up by $5,000. Yes! Yes! Here to make another buy. Are you kidding? Does Willard Scott wear a tooth? Alf? Oh, hi, Willie. You're just in time to see me launch a hostile takeover. Whatever that is. Hey, I was right in the middle of my game.
This is not a game. You've tapped into my stock market service. You're investing my money.
I'm playing with real money? What a great game!
It's not a game.
You know, you could beat a point to death.
I'm not going to put my house, my family, my whole life into jeopardy. Now tell me, just tell me. How much?
$5,000. Head. We're players, Willie. Players. I knew you'd be happy.
But you could have lost everything, Alf. Let's just take this as an unexpected windfall and stop.
But I finally found a way to make an honest living. Now, granted, you'd be taking all the risks. But that's the beauty of it. Come on, Willie, cut me loose. Let me fly. Let my people go.
Okay, Alf, you can continue to play the market,
All right. Way to hang, Willie boy.
but only on paper. That means no money. A pencil, a calculator, a visor if you want. Did I mention no money?
In passing. No wonder he works for the government.
Mom, I woke up with a craving for French toast and sausage. Or whichever's easiest for you.
Please keyboard
Pulling
away.
it a little bit.
I'm what?
I thought it was high time we established who in fact is in charge in this house, and I'm pretty sure it's me. Us. No particular order.
Nice save, Dad.
Good morning.
Morning, Al.
I have an apology to make. Willie, I've had a bad attitude since you took me off the computer, and I'd like to say I'm sorry.
Well, thank you, Alf. It's big of you to admit that. There's more, isn't there?
Oh yes, lots more.
Oh, no.
Willie, my friend, since you took back control of the family fortune, I've made us $11,000 on paper.
$11,000?
On paper. Here's your share. Knock yourself up.
Just out of curiosity, Alf, what system do you use to pick these stocks?
I select companies whose initials spell out Melmacian holidays.
It's not a system. It's just dumb luck.
I don't know. I sort of got lost there myself. I do remember it having a travel fee.
Why would I stay at myself on top and the best one?
Yeah.
You remember how we said we consulted?
You put like a popsicle stick right here or something.
You want Al to invest our money, don't you?
That won't
Because
help?
that is about the stupidest thing that I can think of at the moment.
You say you don't know?
I said no.
You can't be serious.
I know it sounds crazy, but every stock he's picked has made money on paper. What if he has some sort of incredible gift, some unexplainable instinct? What if he's some kind of an alien savant?
What's this really all about?
Shut up.
I don't know. Maybe I'd just like to be able to get you nice things.
I don't need nice things. I mean, I have several nice things.
Well, wouldn't we breathe a lot easier if we could pay off a few of the mortgages on this house? Tell Alf. Maybe he's still up.